This is just such a beautiful and peaceful spot for sunset. This is honestly my favorite sunset we've had in Greece yet. It's just so special being up here. Good morning! We are on our way from Mykonos to Ios.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
True!
Correct?
Yes, I thought Santorini, but it's Mykonos.
Oh.
Wow, I'm completely...
Wow, it's a whole process here with these boats.
Look at everyone coming out of the boat. There's so many people.
Yeah. We're on Super Express this time. Last time we were on Jetstar. They're very fast, like they're almost moving before you're even ready. You just put your bags in. It's this whole super streamlined process. Alright, so we have made it to Ios and we are looking for our hotel. They should be holding a sign out there saying
Blue sky.
yes, blue sky.
Oh, I see it actually.
Where? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a handsome young man.
Susan. Oh my god, it is! Oh, it is! Oh.
It is. Wow, what can I say?
Let's see, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Blue sky! Hello! Hello! Thank you! Thank you, thank you! Awesome!
Look how cute this is. And you as well.
So we have just arrived at our hotel here in Ios. We are staying at the Blue Sky and already I've been blown away. They picked us up right from the ferry port, gave us this map, told us all the best places to go, and I'm already so amazed at the beautiful mountains here. It feels so much more peaceful and authentic, and I'm getting very, very excited to go explore. Ferry from Mykonos to Ios, made it here. Now we're having our first meal of the day, and check out these portions. This is like the biggest burger of my life. And then what does Susan have?
I have my souvlaki on a stick.
Bon appetit! So we just went to Milos beach and had a delicious lunch. It was so lovely. The water was so clear and it's late August right now and the water temperature actually felt so lovely. Like it wasn't cold. The sun was the right amount of just like warming and soothing to the body. It was so lovely and the beach is massive. They have like a huge section to sit in chairs but also just like lay in the sand with beach volleyball and all these water sports and everything. And now we are back at our hotel watching the most beautiful sunset. I feel like Greek sunsets are just something special. It's so lovely and can't wait to explore more of Ios. Already the vibe here is a lot more just like authentic and natural, and I feel like what is more of real Greece, which I love. Good morning. Today we are out here strolling around Ios town. It is so cute. We got some breakfast and little coffee and drinks from Ios Bakery, and now we're exploring all the super cute spots in this town. It's so beautiful, and we're here at like 9 or 10 a.m. and there's literally no one else here, like just a few people. So it's just us wandering around. Strongly recommend coming early if you want to get cute pictures and have the spots to yourself. As we were just wandering around, we stumbled upon this beautiful cafe called Moonlight Cafe. It has the most amazing view over the sea and you can see all the homes. That's what I love about just like exploring and getting lost and going into all these little valleys. You discover so many little gems. When we walked in, we were the only ones there, and then a bunch of people showed up after that. The food was so fresh and delicious, exactly what we needed. And now we've stumbled upon this other little valley, just walking higher up into this area called Chora. I'll put the name on the screen, but we came up here and look at how adorable this setting is. It's just so beautiful. Love it. And then look at these little cute kittens everywhere. It wants to come home with us. Look at this. Oh. We have found ourselves here on quite the adventure, as you can see by the terrain behind me. We have taken the advice of our local Greek hosts to come find this hidden gem beach over here, and we found it. It's right there. It's very beautiful. It's called Kolestani Beach. A bunch of the signs say nude beach everywhere, but upon impression from here, it doesn't look like a nude beach. It looks very beautiful. The water is blue and clear. There's white sand, which is apparently very rare on the beaches in Greece. There's only a few of them that are like that. But if you come, just follow the Google Maps directions that take you down and bring sun protection because the sun is beating and hot. But this is so beautiful. The water is glistening. The water temperature is so perfect, and I'm so excited to jump in. Let's go. We are leaving this beach now. It was very cute. The water is very, very clear and lovely. But the only thing that was a little unexpected was that it is indeed a nude beach. So just be prepared for that. Traveling from the US versus some places in Europe, it is a lot more common, I've found here, for there to be nude beaches. So just be ready for that. But yeah, it is a very beautiful beach. The water is extremely clear, but the way to get here is hot and exposed. And there's no facilities, like no water or anything being sold here. So make sure to bring all your stuff, but it is very lovely. And now we trek back.
I was not looking happy. I am not happy.
You are not happy?
I'm not happy.
So this is a little bit of reality. We didn't decide to rent a car. We were relying on the bus system, which is great. But sometimes it's just like 5, 10, 15, 20-minute walks. We also just do. But now we're going to a sunset spot and the sun's setting. We're going to a really epic sunset spot. It's supposed to be the best sunset on Ios. We'll see. And now it is us against the sun. It is around 7:10. The sun sets at 7:50 and we're on our way up. But the sun is starting to go down. Will we make it to the best sunset spot in Ios? We'll see. Do you think we will?
I hope so.
You guys, we made it. And honestly, it wasn't that bad. We did. What? My perception of okay, listen to Susan.
Yeah.
But it was worth it because once you get up here, you forget about the struggle. Check out this view. On this episode of Adventures of Mahna and Susan, we are currently on the top of a rock fence and we're going to a really beautiful spot to catch the golden light. This is truly the best view in Ios. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the spot that you want to put in Google Maps to get out of here is Odysseus Elytis Amphitheater. You come up, you have a 360 view of all of Ios, and you can perfectly see the islands behind the area over here, and the sunset view is just breathtaking. Now we're going to shoot some photos and enjoy the sunset. Bye! The sun is setting, there's a drone flying. This is just such a beautiful and peaceful spot for sunset. This is honestly my favorite sunset we've had in Greece yet. It's just so special being up here. And there were some people around like half an hour ago, but now it's just Susan and I up here, and this whole area to ourselves. It is so special seeing the sunset. I love it. Susan.
And the turkeys on the back.
So special. So a lot of the times people ask me how I find beautiful or secret hidden spots to go to on my adventures. And honestly, you guys, I spend so much time, just like when I'm scrolling on Instagram, when I find something beautiful or that inspires me, I save it to like a folder for that location. So for this one, for example, I saved to a Greece folder. And then Susan and I, when we got to Eos, we were just researching and looking around, Googling, asking locals, and that's how we were able to find this beautiful spot just from a picture that we saw on Instagram. And so that's a tip that I would strongly recommend when you're just like scrolling on social media. Create mood board folders for the places that you want to go, and then that's how it'll bring you to beautiful places like this when you travel.